Hadian bami gijing keno badan gijing liat turmur ban penlong yak examen National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET. Haki artli senta haka jela. Haka kendai trik ujumang arajar arpusau na kaliang kisamla kebekone kene ke examen rengkat gijing senran lang kinong ilam ka KSU. Kilawan mani kendo yu menteri ketenaga putih putih gejela rakam e sangma na kebenta ban pak tuklar halor kene kebenta. La aban kedau hang ni bana kaliang ka National Testing Agency haka santrik ujumang arajar arpusau kala penlong ya ke examen NEET nrei kisamla kibangat banto examen haka St Mary Magzarelo Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai kibakentop ya kisau sepangut bat kibangat haka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo kibakentop ya kihendro pongut kisamla kilapan pau kejing benyau halor kejing kulmar ke kompeniat ya kena ke examen. Habis itu jengkol mar ke kompeni aja ke eksamen hak santrik ujemang unang bah ule itu bah kesini bapenlong ya ke eksamen NEET uweni samla be ko ne ke eksamen ulong baginang peniat ke eksamen kilesam artli kikot jengkeli kata ke MNOP bat ka QRST kibor kami ke eksamen kila batha eksamla banto daka kot jengkeli kabari ke set MNOP Nrei hadian kombaso 4 minit balayat ke eksamen, kibor peniat kilakam bakakot jengkeli ke bakla, bat kabadai bakin jubab kadai keset QRST. Kani kalapan kulmar kisamla kibladap ban pendut por haduk 4 minit, banto ke eksamen dak jengkeli jong keset MNOP. Hagani kesini nak kalian kisamla kibeko ni ke eksamen kilakentu yaga National Testing Agency, bahkan ailat biang ban penlong ya ke eksamen namar bakam day kajing bakla jongki.
Particularly, we want re-examination for our particular center, which is in Nongpo and in Chowai. And if possible, we want to no, we should, it's not just about possibility, see, because many of us have already spent many years here preparing for this exam, and many students have already spent so much resources on preparing for this exam. They went to Akash, they went to coaching academies, and so many of us hopeful students from West Jayanta Hills and from Bipa district, we are hopeful about this exam. But then after writing the exam, we know that even the question paper, it's not written all over in the question paper that we wrote. So after talking with the education minister, he said we'll see into it. So as we students from the West Jayanta Hills and from Bipa district, we want a re-examination for our particular center, or they can give a re-examination for the whole state. But that we can decide, so that the NT will decide about that. It's up to the wisdom to see how to conduct the exam. But we want a re-examination. We don't want our year to be spoiled.
Well, mainly these are the different sets of questions that we've got distributed to us at that day. Well, we would like to seek clarification from the NTA why this year these discrepancies occur in our center and in some other centers also. Well, so far as we've got information from the news and all, only in Nongpo and in Jowai center.
Yeah, our problem was the same. Like we received like two different sets of question paper, and we were asked to attempt only one. Like after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, they asked us to attempt the code MNOP, and then they asked us to set aside the QRST, which we were supposed to attempt.
Because as what is happening in July and in Longkok, the services have two set of question paper and answer provided to them and distribute all among the candidates. So in this matter, we actually don't want this matter, but this kind of big issue, we can say, is not happening. We see distribute this kind of will be a great problem for the students who are candidate, and if it is distributed for the two type of question at the same time, cannot complete within the time.
Kebajia for the exam. Kemudian juga mungkin ada education minister nila ke pariu dia ban kupaman adalah ban dikodok dia ngene edit exam kemudian kita juga ora komba na kalian juga kim beton san kata kajing gede bat ka NTA ke kodok igene ke exam maka NTA ke central agency bat ka kawan hi ke kodok hi ke exam ka jiri hi ke institution but bopala kolong ba ki institution ba gaji ro kimde ki ba la long bit ban penlong igini ke long exam marwa borok gani kejian marba ketai institution kepa pelayan igre exam bagi host kam ki no kai ba kimpat tip kumno ban kondok igre exam hakuno kruko mat kumno keliti bikin kondok exam bagar kita kadau ni borok sedia kuni pada geliang jungiru gila kerpatur itu sarkar lembaga education department pada yo chief minister pada simkia igre kam long kepala pada kondok yang exam igre artling center baru ban kenapa kena jungi kiba appear igre exam kiba kun igre exam kenum duk mesim bat nani sekamaru ni kintu ba sarkar ba karu kan keren igre NTA ba swa bakan kondok igre exam dari ban tip swa ik sarkar mar ba sarkar kam tip kino ke school ban pelong igre exam ba kambit institution bat ni ability ru ba lima ini ke kintu yang education minister kan long ba job bat ba kena jungi ru kinum duk mesin nani sekaman kia kita exam ba kondok ba NTA jadi banyak di bagas state nang ba ekonomi isu ini kenduk kendram ba kenum penduk mesin kena jungi
di lap bagi kipaskau shi ga jing e jong ki kalang wajing la turmor jong ga tega jawai center ba kanong po center tega pensusi shibun bagi tek tiga beran-beran cepo tega jaka tega sin Mary's Masaru di lap ba ga hi jing ba kalahi nagi ni ki invigilators ke ba lap pa arli ki question papers bagi data mi kena apo lagan tashtang andrei banshim ke decision bahdi kena ki klik ai question paper gin datam kashim por ki ar 4 minute banshim ke decision naliang administrative naliang ki bakandak exam tahdim klat ho sapo minute ki ya kata question paper kishim no ke datam no data ko ipat ke code number jong question paper kata ga ke MNOP ke wai ba ga ke QRST kini borok ke peni baga kompunya exam bola ke tashtang ne mata ke di exam kala fail lupa haka first place kasin kata ga stang di jongka apa kata lagi tashtang de gabar ko long bagi kena hadin bagi bahari gadap ke exam ki sempat bagan wikat jongki jingsha they will submit not ke ahli ki pages na bo ga wikat men submit saka asaki diki bapet kami invigilators apo bapet apo classroom dia kata kim pediang ke wikat kembali ke guidelines jongka NTA teknik borok pensusi kena dan untuk pergi kena ki sembar lab all over India ki thok ada ki code number jo question paper ada QRST kumbagi thok mentan dan rei hapo jawai center benong po kan two sets of question paper process ki question paper kata gadai MNOP but QRST tekni borok ka pendi long ka pen baklar lagi kena ka baglong discourage khantam ki bulatam ki batam kasi menengkong begini ki batam license sausi kena penduk mesin fisio nomor borok oi ke ri India ki biang rom penyai ke exam han repat hari ki center posted ke jongi ke longba long turmur du kata te ngi pen lenga sang di mite tinga pha ti beran sau education minister la pentep lang sau chief minister ke jo hoi ki lasim kian lenga state han repat ki wasosi ke longba ngi shutep kata ka khubor ke longba ke NTA ke tho conduct exam ni claim do yo bor le claim do pentep ya state government wangi su thok ke central agency ke conduct exam banam-banam kenu ke interference ke state and ring so nong part of benjit ki center ban tho exam ke bente ke state benjit ke balong paka bar ki balong well trained invigilators dan yang sangi mata sing like krem badu minister in charge of education rakam sangma hingila keren kalong bagi pressure benjit ke center ke babiang kabahar kalong ba kini kena sans pagut kalau jong ki yimtep shegan poil da jia kumne bar kan kalong du mensim hagi jing long turmur kalong tho ke ni exam Namar kumboong ra dili lupa sa 4 minute kimyo manatam baro arspati ki question ke marks la do upa tukumton leng seng ni dawa naga sokar dim penskaus ke NTA kalong bakla fil pa di exam arli ki center but day dadala badlong bala ni dawa kalong ban reconduct ki exam hak arli ki center baka syongpat hak wisdom ke jing penyat ini ke jing kenapa long rai ke bakado ke NTA ke dai ban penyat exam ko bahag kawet postir jungi but ban reconduct exam namar gi kena yak wi lenti ban yo ban attempt sa sisin ke company ke exam begini olah dan puli doktor